don't like what you're doing.
You didn't like it?
It's backward.
Right, trunk clock.
It's like the number is supposedly here and this.
Good morning, Philippines.
Okay, I have my bread and that's it, Tommy. I'm gonna go outside and eat. Habs, let's go out. Habs, come here, let's go outside. I will carry you. Where are you? Where is my little boy? Then I will eat all this bread. You know what? Meow, meow, meow.
Meow, 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 meow,
Oh, sure. Meow, meow, meow. Okay, eat that because I'm not really eating that. I'm telling you how many times I'm not eating it. Hub, 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 hub.
It's just an egg with rice.
No, I don't
The
want
rice
to.
has taste. Tasty rice.
Thank you for cooking, but I don't
Tasty
want
rice.
to.
I have to feed it to you. Ready? If I gotta feed it to you now?
You know what, honey? Eat that. Honey, can you put it in? You're cooking.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth.
Your dad is good.
Open your mouth.
Put it there.
What are you calling me? Open your mouth.
I don't like what you're doing.
You didn't like it?
I don't want to eat right into food.
Yes, you do.
No, I just want. No, I just want bread, honey.
Honey.
Here, Baba. We're together. Oh, look how I eat. I'm not starving, honey. I eat already. Look. Okay, we eat together.
Let's put the egg juice in there.
Oh, is this? No, I don't like ramen. This is the problem.
No, because it does, then you mix it with the rice.
This is
That's the whole idea.
This is uncooked egg.
It's always cooked.
You always say cook everything. What, the rice?
Yeah.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
What did you put in the egg?
I don't know. I just had some. You have some now.
I just ate too! I feel bad with my bread. I love my bread.
Go on. You have your bread. I didn't take your bread away. I just made you some eggs with rice.
Honey, no last. I'm not done. You come back. No, come here last.
That's my breakfast. That's yours. You have.
Last.
I made for you. You have. It's good, right?
Last.
Last. You have the rest. Joker?
Honey, come here, Roxy. This is. Oh, that's just it. I think I call her. Come here, last.
You don't say. No.
Come here, last.
No, I just did last. Yeah.
Come here, last.
No.
Final last.
No.
Honey, it's a final last. Come here.
She's coming. She finished her food.
Come here, Tommy. Can you please final last with me? Oh no, I'm gonna throw this out.
Huh?
Final last.
You're not really eating. I made for you.
Another last.
No. I think I call.
Last, hon.
She
Did she
already-
even eat? No, she doesn't
She
eat.
finished.
Come here, last.
No.
Okay, and then I will finish the whole thing after this.
You finished the whole thing now.
Come here.
Mm.
Tommy, come here. It's good for the coffee. Come here. Come here. Come here. Open your mouth.
No, I wanted bread.
Come here, open
I
your
wanted bread,
mouth.
and I'm not gonna have bread.
Come here. Open your mouth.
Look, just give her.
Come here. Open your mouth. Tommy. Tommy, can't you just come here? Open your mouth. When I said open your mouth, come here. Open.
I open my eyes, won't like what comes out.
Come here. Come here, but please. Open your mouth.
Right?
Open your mouth.
Oh, ass crap.
Open your mouth. Ah! Thank you, B-boy. That's what happens when you cook something.
Good girls. You both get everything. Good girls.
Okay, give them. Hi, good morning, everything. Anyway, merong guys nagtatanong, bakit everything? It's supposedly be good morning, everyone. Like that. I guess, hindi niyo kilala si Everything. Si Miss Everything is sikat sa nasa YouTube ngayon. Yeah, naging ano na siya, parang malaking YouTuber na siya ngayon si Miss Everything. So ngayon, parang hindi ko man ginagaya, pero gustong-gusto ko talaga si Miss Everything. And then gusto ko ring sabihin, hello Everything! Yon, kaya yon, alam ko naman yan. Yung hindi dapat hello everything, pero everything kasi, si Miss Everything kasi ang dahilan ng lahat. Kaya yon. And aalis kami. Saan kami ba aalis? Punta kami sa New Rochelle house. Kasi hindi na kami nakapunta doon. And ano bang nangyari, hindi namin alam kung anong mga kaganapan, kung anong meron sa mga meal doon, di ba? Inom lang ako ng tubig kasi sumakit ulo ko, konti lang yung ininom kong tubig. I have to start drinking a lot of water every morning, pero this morning sobrang konti lang talaga. And guys, naka-lipstick po tayo. Ito yung lipstick ginamit ko is Remy London. And Remy London yung pula. So basta Remy London, alam nyo na. Yun, yung mga 16-hour hindi siya makukuha. Yun na yung sabi. At saka proven ko na siya talaga kasi matagal ko na siyang ginagamit. Yeah, alis tayo. Si Tami, naliligo. Sabi ko, huwag ka na maligo. So yun, hintayin ko lang din si Tami kasi nagliligo pa. And magdala tayo ng baon, lunch. Ito kong magdala ng kanin. Mamayang pagbalik ko mamaya, magluluto ako ng gulay. Kain muna kami guys. Ito yung niluto ko. And then ito yung spicy chicken buffalo wings. And yun kay Tami ang sa akin ininit. Naghintay lang ako sa asawa ko. I told him we're going to eat but now nandito siya, naglalaro. Why you're playing? I said we are going.
Morning, guys. See my wife driving crazy again.
What?
What?
I'm driving normal.
I don't like a crossover because he's bumpy in the middle.
Ayan. Dito na kami. Nakauli na. Ay, ginoo ko. Let's go. Let's go. This is probably mom ordered this, huh? Look. Andito na kami. Anuhin ko lang ito, guys. Tignan ko yung mga mga meal. Tignan natin. Mag-ano lang ako, guys. Mag-sort ng mga natatanggap na mga papel. Diba nawalan si Mr. ng sa yung mga stock market na yan. Nawalan siya ng pera ng malaki-laki. Lumaki konti na naman. And then bumaba na naman. Pero okay na siya. Naging okay na. So bumalik yung pera konti. So, hindi ko alam kung anong mga gagawin ni Mr. May pala yung kapatid ni Mr. Bigay sa amin yun. Mga magagandang mga pieces. Maganda siya. Dali namin magagamit yun dito sa bahay. Sabi ko kay Tami, na-miss ko tong lugar na to, yung dito, yung daanan. Kasi, yung daanan kasi dito, doon ako nagbibili-bili ng mga grocery. May grocery store doon. So, kapag wala kami ni Bianan, kami lang kasi dito, palagi ni Bianan. Naalala ko, sabi ko, na-miss ko to. Maglakad-lakad lang ako doon. Magbili ng milk, egg, kahit ano-ano kailangan ko. Baktas lang. Yung lakarin ko lang siya. Kasi wala palagi dito yung asawa ko noon. I mean, trabaho siya palagi. Kapag nagtatrabaho siya, may mga kailangan kami ni Bianan. And then, mahilig si Bianan na mag-order and then pa-deliver. Sabi ko, mahal man yun kasi mahal yung charge. Diba, remember the chicos always charge you a lot of money just to deliver food? And mom like to do that. That's why I start walking over there. Gusto ko siyang iuwi. Kaso, may mga diferensya pero gusto ko siyang iuwi. Ito. My husband is shaking. And that's a nice tune, honey. Look how good looking he is. So, naghanap ako dito ng screen. Ay, ito, Han. This one, Han. Can I use this for now, Han, for my garden? Naghanap ako ng ano, para sa ampalaya ko, pag ganun-ganun. What is this? Buffalo. This is the cigarette, honey? Buffalo? Uy, nako. Stop buying, honey. You have a ton. Oh, you buy a lot of stick without me knowing. Ayaw ko na, guys. Ayaw ko na sa munduhan. Ayaw ko na sa mundo. Ang daming biniling steak na naman. You told me you buy only 3 and then you bring in the house 5 and then I don't even know that you have here more. Tingnan nyo. Loko-loko talaga tong asawa ko, guys. Yung ibang ano, nasisira na. Oh, nako. Tignan nga natin kung meron tayong old steak dito sa malaking freezer. Kasi may, malaki yun. Meron dito isa din. Hala, meron pa talaga. Oh. Meron pang steak dito. Oh, 4. Lutuin ko yung steak sa bahay. Meron pang mga steak dito, doon sa bahay. Lutuin ko yun. Ang gagawin ko is, gagawa tayo ng bulalo. Steak, bulalo na steak beef. Sabihin naman niya, oh, ayaw yan, wag mong ganyan. Steak yan. Bawal. Bawal sa kutipot mo dong. Ha?
Some of the old bar paintings. Projector bulbs.
Give me your flashlight.
Give me your own.
There's
a light right there on the wall.
Where?
Behind the screen. Anna Claus salt and Mrs. Claus salt and pepper shaker.
What's on over there? Oh, that's a really old glass. I remember that day. That old glass over there, up there. No, up there. I remember this kind. We have that in the Philippines. Maybe we can clean this. No, it's ugly. Allah, who is this picture? My God, this is not you, guys. Look, Han. This kids is not your family.
What?
This is not your family.
No.
Oh, may ano dito, oh. Glass section. Wow, your mom doesn't even come here when she was okay.
A lot of years.
Huh?
A lot of years.
When I got here, she was still okay. This is a nice one thing for outside. It's backward.
Right, trunk lock.
It's like the number is supposedly here, and this was.
And it runs backwards. The
Oh,
trunk
really?
lock, yeah.
Makes you confused.
It's
Okay, guys, we are going home. Tapos na kami sa baba. Meron mga raming nakitang mga ano si Tami dun sa baba. Mga pictures, old pictures. Napasaya ako kasi yun. Magandang balita itong ano. Pauwi na tayo, guys. Yung mga dinala namin is ano, yung wedding gown is kapatid ni Tami kasi lahat ng mga gamit na lahat ng gamit niya hindi niya madadala or hindi niya madala sa bahay niya kasi yung asawa niya is pinagbawalan siyang magdala ng gamit, 'di ba? So yun siya, and dinala ko yung gown. Sabi ko kapag magtanong yung kapatid mo, sabihin mo yun lang yung kasi maraming gamit si Tami, yun lang yung madadala ko sa bahay for now. Ang daming gamit niya. Kaya yung mga gamit niya iba, pinamigay kay Tami. So, wala akong choice kasi binigay. So, dalhin sa bahay. Sayang naman din, magaganda yung mga gamit na binibigay niya. Kung hindi niya ibibigay, itatapon lang niya. Saka mamahalin din. So, yun. So, sabi ko, okay, yung wedding gown, hindi naman pwede ibigay yung wedding gown or itapon, diba? Sabi ko, enuhin ko na lang yan, dalhin ko sa bahay, isama ko sa ano ko. Doon sa wedding gown ko, isama ko siya. Alam nyo guys, gusto kong itry yung wedding gown ko ulit, pero kaso naka-reserve na siya, yung parang sealed na ba na hindi siya masisira, ganon-ganon. So gusto ko siyang suotin ulit kung magkasya pa ba. Lumaki na ako kasi noon sobrang liit ko talaga. So ngayon na lumaki na ako, gusto ko siyang itry talaga. Pero naisipan ko na baka hindi na magkasya. Did you?
I didn't open it.
You're some. I thought you just got the thing.
Well, I picked up the mail that was there. That mail has been sitting there for a week, so.
Stay here. Yung nilagay kong Christmas light, andun pa, oh, matagal na yan guys. Doon ako makita niya. Yung Christmas light na yan, matagal na yan. Andun pa rin lang. Ang ganda ng bahay ni Bianan, kaso talagang hindi talaga namin kaya. Hindi kaya. Maganda man ito, guys. Hindi kaya. Ito yung kahoy na to. Sobrang ganda ng kahoy na to. Yan. Maple tree. Pula. Bago ito ibenta, guys, ha. Sana abangan ninyo, guys, bago ito mabintang bahay, guys. Mag house tour tayo. Bahala, malinis man or hindi. Basta yung malapit na talagang mabinta. I-house tour ko to for memories. For the record. Yan. Maganda kasi bahay ito, guys. Malaki talaga siya. Hi, Michi! Love ni Mama. Gugitada! Gugirin! Gugitada! Go this way, this way, this way. This way. Misty, oy. Come, go Pipi this way. Let's go Pipi this way. Come this way, Pipi. Let's go. Let's go. Hello. Cute man po ng akong Roxy. Uy. Cute man sad na si Roxy. Look at yung puwit ni Roxy. Oh, cute kayo. Oh, cute kayong puwit. Oh, ulo. Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness, itong asawa ko ba? Ano yun ito? Saki daw. So, ipakita ko to yung, yung kapatid ni Tami na inano niya yung gamit niya. Ito, ang maganda to. Pakita ko sa inyo para naman makita ninyo, di ba? Kung gaano kaganda at sayang na hindi niya magagamit. Binigay na lang niya. Binibigay. Pero alam nyo, may plano talaga ako. Kahit ganun, kahit binigay niya na sa amin, isauli ko sa kanya kapag may bahay na siya. Itong mga gamit niya na andito sa akin, isauli ko talaga sa kanya. Ibigay ko talaga. Candle holder ito, guys, dolphin. She like dolphins, so all her stuff is dolphiny. One day, if she have her own apartment, she have her own thing, I'll return this.
Yeah, that's all I think she's more of a take back in.
No, I mean, but we can use this.
These are all Lennox. These are good. And
Two of this.
there are certificates in a box too. Like.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, dolphin also. May mga certificate. This is a nice bowl. Blue, I like it. Blue. Look. Nice.
It's called Midnight Dolphins or something.
And then there's a lot of dolphin over around it. It's nice one, look. May mga certificate pa talaga sila. Sayang naman hindi niya diba? Gamitin natin. And then, binigay na kasi, so gamitin. First, turn around. Okay, ito yung binigay ni Lo. Giant string beans. And may kangkong pa, guys. May pakangkong pas Miura, guys. And also, guys, yung harvest natin kahapon sa garden. Ang dami-daming bok choy, diba? Daming bok choy, damo. Gid eh! Hi guys, tapos na po ako nag-cut ng lahat. Ito yung mga sangkap ko. Yun. Pakita ko sa inyo. Simple lang naman. Mag-ano tayo. Time-lapse. Malapit na siyang maluto. Tapos na kaming nagluto. And ako pala. Tapos na akong nagluto. And ito na siya. Oh my God. Kakain si Tami nito ba? And nagluto din ako ng rice. Tignan natin kung naluto na ba ito. Lutong-luto na pala talaga. Gusto pala niya ng tubig. Galuga man ito. Walang tubig sa labas.
You need to be smart about this. This is not a personality contest. You're not
reason they don't like to see a wall.
Yun yung gulay natin. Yun siya. Simpleng gulay lang ito talaga. Bisayang ginisa. Ginisang Bisaya. Ginisang Bisaya. Tikman nga natin ito. Hindi namin ito natikman eh. Yung andun kami kay Lynn. Hindi ko mapakain ito kay Tame. Ang tagal ng asawa ko. Ang sarap ng ginawa nila na ano. Itong isda. Nakalimutan ko. Ilagay ko yung pangalan guys. Kung naalala ko to. Mag-edit ako kung maalala ko to. May pangalan ito eh. Itong pagkaluto nito. Yung isda guys, yung buong isda, nilagyan ng carrots, pepper, matamis-tamis. Han, very with their food.
I can't move. Come on, where's the monkey go?
Misty. Tanggalin lang natin ito and then in ko na tong vlog. It's 10 o'clock na. Katatapos lang namin ni Tami nanood ng movie, Expendable 3. Kasi diba nanonood kami the other night. Hindi nakatulog kami. So hindi namin nakita talaga. So yun siya. And ngayon, matulog na kami guys. And thank you guys so much for watching ha. Pasensya na guys. Thank you guys so much for watching sa mga videos, sa mga vlogs natin. Salamat. And na-appreciate ko yung time ninyo guys. As in. And thank you guys. I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night. Good night guys.